Good morning. Yesterday we had a great drift practice, but today it's time to finally install the new MaXpeedingrods coilover set on your drift car. We'll start with the back, and for that you will need a setup like this. In my case, I will be running the adjusters, so the car sits nice and low. If you were to run them, this plate goes on the bottom, and the adjuster comes right on top. You can adjust it, make sure they're nice and even, and they're basically ready to go in your car. As well as the shock absorber. On this, as I'll be shown, you have the usable top mount with the adjusting pin on the top, which will make your dampening, as well as you can adjust the total length of the shock based on how you want to set up the car. It's a pretty simple install and shouldn't take more than 30 minutes, so let's get wrenching. Since I was happy with the way my suspension was already set up, I will adjust the new shock absorber to the same length as the old one. You can do this by twisting open until the length is the same. When it's done, just secure it with the securing ring. And the spring comes right out. To fit the new spring, start off by placing the washer and then go for the spring. It could take a little bit of wiggling. Once that's done, make sure it sits properly on the bottom of it and you're ready to install the shock absorber. To install the new shock absorber, I suggest starting with the bottom bolt. Get it in, and once it's there, you can carefully lift up the jack and aim the top mount into its mounting point. To install the shock absorber, just install the nuts where they belong. Once you've done that, you'll need to remove the front brace if you have it. You'll have to remove 3 18mm bolts. One is right here, and then there's 2 more like this. Once that's done, it should pop out. Once you have removed the 3 bolts, it's safe to lower the jack, and the front coilover assembly should come right out. Since I was happy with the right height in the front, I'll just adjust the new coilers to the same length and should be done. In your case, when choosing the correct right height for your car, keep in mind that the spring will settle in about 2 days after install and the car may lose about 1 to 2 centimeters of right height, so take that in account.